Hi everyone, welcome to Adobe Illustrator tutorials how to design a logo. In this video, I will create shield icon design. Okay, first select the pen tool over here and click here. Click here, scroll like that and click on this point and click over here and scroll a little bit on the right. Maybe like that and click on this point and this point. And select this object, go to edit, select copy, edit, paste in front. And click on this point and scroll like this. Okay, like that. And select this object 2 and click on this point and scroll a little bit down. Okay, like that. And go to maybe I will group this object. Okay, I think that looks good. And select the pen tool over here. Maybe I will create object using circle ellipse tool. Okay, like that. And I will change the color. Maybe I will using blue color like that. And go to edit, select copy. I'm do something wrong. Go to edit, select copy, edit, paste in front, and click on this point. Scroll a little bit going up, like that, and put a little bit going up. Okay, like this. And select this object and go to Pathfinder and click minus front, and change the rotation of this object like this. Okay, and put over here. Okay, over here. Maybe a little bit down. Okay, like that. And change this object a little bit bigger. Maybe like this. Okay, and duplicate this object. Go to edit, select copy, edit, paste in front, and put a little bit down. Maybe over here. And select this shield. Go to Pathfinder and click unit to combine this object and select this shield and this object 2 and go to Pathfinder and click minus front. Okay, maybe I need to remove this point. Click on this point and remove or delete. You can press delete on your key. Right click, select ungroup, zoom in. Maybe I need to cut this object. Go to select the pencil over here, click here and create object like this and close this point. Select this object, go to Pathfinder and click minus front, zoom out. I think that looks good. Maybe I will select this object and I will change the color using gradient color like that. Select this object, click here, scroll down to adjust this gradient color, and in this object 2 I will adjust the gradient color. Click gradient tool, or you can press G on your key and click here, scroll on the right, maybe like that. Okay, that looks good. And in this object I will change the color using orange color and click gradient tool, click here, scroll like this, maybe over here, and like scroll like this over here. Okay, like that. I will create object using pen tool. Select the pen tool over here, or you can press P on your key and click here, scroll like that, click on this point, click here, scroll like that, click on this point and close this point and scroll like that. Okay, I think that looks good. And put this object on the center and change the color using white color. Okay, I think that looks good. Zoom out. I think that looks good. Okay guys, I hope you learned something in this video. And if you're happy with my video tutorial, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get new video tutorial every time I update new video. And you can go to my YouTube channel in Adobe Illustrator tutorials how to design a logo. And if you have a question, you can leave a comment below. And see you on the next video.